Spell psychology.
PSHYOL. Psycho PHY. Psycho PH. Psycho PHYLOJICOGICAL. Psychological.
My brother, thank you very much, man. Have a nice one. Coronavirus. Have a nice one, man. Thank you very much, man. Excuse me, big bro. Can you spell psychology?
Psychology. PSYOLGY. Cause you know about G's.
PSCHOLOGY.
PSYC.
Nobody say nothing, right?
PSY. This is hard. Yeah, I was. PSY. What did I say? CHOLOGY. PSCHOLOGY.
Can you spell psychology?
PSYCOLOGY.
Can you do it better?
PSCHOLGOLY.
Alright. Mommy, can you do it better than the kid?
What?
Psychology.
PSYCHOLOGY.
Hold on, Mom.
Psychology. PSHYLOGLOY.
PSYKology.
Hey, after this one, he's getting the date.
Psychology.
Psychology. If you get it right, you got date.
Oh, PHS. Oh no, I've gone on. What's a camera here? Everything. C.
You're looking nice as well, man. Follow.
HLOGY.
Alright, you kill it.
PH.
Oh fuck! I've got PHSCHLOGY.
Thank you, guys, man.
Psychology.
Yes. Man, okay.
Spell psychology.
Psychology. Psychology.
P.
Uh-huh.
S.
Yeah.
Run.
PSH. I'm struggling with this. So it's ecology, so it's COLIG. The bit at the beginning is funny, isn't it? I've been drinking all day. There we are.
All day.
Excuse, is it?
I've been drinking all day.
How many excuses have you got?
Alright, cool. Let's leave that man alone.
PSCHOLO. Wait a minute. PSC. No, it's not.
Everybody's doing that. Why everybody's doing that? Anyway, guys, thank you very much. This is TURNFLICKS. Can you please like and subscribe? Because we're out here. Glasgow City is going down. TURNFLICKS in the building. Like and subscribe. Yeah, my boys here, they will do some spelling for me. All right, who's good at grammar? Can you spell psychology?
Psychology.
Yeah.
Let me rap it.
Rap it then. No,
Psychology. PHSYchology. Psychology. Coming at you like mythology. Mythology. Looking at you like you're.
Word. All right, you. Can you spell psychology? Guys, can you spell psychology?
PSHYCOLOGY.
Nice. Oh, wait, don't wait. Can you spell psych? It's okay.
PSCHOLOGY.
Psychology. Alright. PYSCHOLOGY.
PYSCHOLOGY.
PSHYCOLOGY. Is it?
PHYSOLOGY. I think
Can you please spell psychology, please?
PSYSCHOLOGY.
You. Can you do it, please?
no, I can't do it.
No, just try it.
I can't do it.
Just try it. He tried, right? Come on. Don't worry, don't worry.
PYSCHOLOGY.
All right. You do it.
PSYCHOLOGY.
Listen, can you spell psychology?
PYSCHO.
PSYCHOOLGY.
Okay.
PSCHYCOLOGY.
Psychology. I'm being put on the spot here now. PHYSIOLOGY.
Psychology. PYSCHOLOGY.
Thank you very much, man. That's my pleasure, man. I appreciate it, man. Yes, man.
Run.
Alfie. Where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Huh? Mongolian. We have a Mongolian here. Listen. One question, right? Now you have to pick up Mongolian, right? Can you spell psychology?
PSYCHOLOGY.
Wow. Thank you, man. Can you spell psychology?
PSYCHOLOGY.
Nice one, man. Nice one, guys. Thank you, man.
PSYCHOLOGY.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
PSYCHOLOGY.
PSYCHOLOGY. There you go.
There you go, man. Thank you very much, man. That's it, man. Thank you for this lovely gentleman that just show love and appreciation to our big work that we do. And I appreciate, man. Thank you very much, man. All the best. Excuse me, big man. How are you? You good? Yeah, can you spell psychology?
Psychology.
Yeah, man.
Why?
Just for fun. Spell it.
Okay.
If you know it's
Psychology.
Yeah, psychology.
Psychology.
No, spell it one by one.
Psychology.
No. Spell it.
Spell it.
Yeah.
And psychology.
TUI.
Oh, spell it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Try. Come on, where you from? Where you from?
China.
For Chinese, go. Psychology.
S I. No.
Bro, they're going to Google. Can you spell psychology?
PSYCHOLOGY.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for your help, man. That was great.